Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my May 2021 BOXYCHARM Premium Box unboxing. Oh, I am so excited to unbox this and so excited that it got here kind of early this month. I actually just did an unbagging of my Ipsy Glam bag, so that's up on my channel if you want to see what I got in that. But I soon should be getting my Ipsy Glam Bag X and my other BOXYCHARM base box, and as soon as I do, I'll be doing my unboxing slash unbaggings. I guess both of those are unboxings actually this month. So if you are interested in seeing those types of videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. But BOXYCHARM Premium, which is the box that I have here, it's $35 a month. It's one of my favorites. I feel like, knock on wood, hopefully I don't jinx myself, but this box rarely, if ever, disappoints me. For $35, I always feel like I get amazing value, amazing deals. So that's what I'm hoping for today. Let's go ahead and get into this. So if you're not familiar with BOXYCHARM Premium, it's a monthly beauty subscription box, $35 a month, but you get all full-size products and it's a little bit bigger, a little bit more value, $10 more expensive than the regular BOXYCHARM base box. So let's see what I got. I love that BOXYCHARM always gives product information here. And their theme is Flourish, which I think the Ipsy theme, I have it right here, was Flower Power. So they are very aligned with their floral themes for the month of May. And I've got product information. Love that BOXYCHARM does the product information in every box. So let's get into this. Okay, so on top is a pretty pink envelope with La Rousse on it. Yeah, you know, I think I have these brushes. I thought this seemed familiar. I'm looking at my brushes in front of me. And so this is a 3-pack of brushes. There's a kabuki brush. It's got a nice studded handle. Ooh, extremely soft. Ooh, that's nice. I have to say though, getting brushes in my subscription boxes is one of my least favorite things to get because I've gotten so many at this point that I can't possibly use all of these, but they do make really good gifts to just kind of pass along to someone else. Because giving someone good brushes, I feel like it's always a great gift option. Oh yeah, and these are really nice brushes. And they come in this cute giftable envelope. But so the La Rousse Beauty On The Go set retails for $96. Okay, that's crazy. $96 for 3 brushes. Very expensive, high quality. All right, next, ooh, I recognize these. This is from the brand Rodial, and it's the Dragon's Blood Eye Mask. Hydrate and Tone Depuffing Biocellulose Eye Mask. So I actually got the Rodial Glossy Box. This was a while ago, but it was all the Dragon's Blood collection. And Rodial is a really great skincare brand, and I do love eye masks. And I bet these are pricey. Well, pricey but not crazy. The Rodial Dragon's Blood Eye Mask Trio, so there are 3 in here, has a retail value of $18. Once again, I definitely prefer to get makeup. If you're familiar with me and my channel, you know that I love makeup. I have a series here on YouTube where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I do full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products I get in Ipsy and BOXYCHARM. And makeup is just my favorite thing. So that's what I really prefer to get rather than skincare. But at least if I am getting a type of skincare product, it's one that I'll use, one that I'll get to quickly, like I'm not way overstocked in, and from a nice brand. But once again, this is also a really nice gift product if you were to pass that along. Next, ooh, from Too Faced. I love the brand Too Faced, but I do not have many products because it's pricey And I rarely seem to get it in Ipsy or BOXYCHARM. I don't know if I've ever even gotten it in Ipsy, but I have gotten like maybe once or twice some products in BOXYCHARM. But this here is the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow. 24-hour crease proof, ooh, I need crease proof, waterproof, long wear. Wow, I got this in the shade Amaretto. I don't know if I've ever tried out a matte liquid eyeshadow. I've definitely tried out shimmery liquid eyeshadows. The packaging on this is cool. I want to smell it, see if it smells like chocolate, because Too Faced makes some fun scented products. I'm trying to smell very deeply. I don't think I get a chocolate scent. But the packaging is so cute, and I do love a brown eyeshadow, so I am excited to try this out. And I will be doing it in a full dedicated review video, like I was saying. So the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Eyeshadow has a retail value of $21. So that would be really fun to try out a matte version of a liquid eyeshadow. Next, is this another skincare product? Oh, this is body care though, so that's a little different. From the brand Grown Alchemist Body Cream. Mandarin, rosemary leaf, ooh, toxic free, Australian. Well, this looks familiar also. Have I received this before? I get so many subscription boxes that now it's hard to remember, but I actually am always happy to get a body lotion because that's one product that I feel like I go through so quickly. I apply a body lotion after every shower, and right now I'm actually using, this is a little sad, but I go through body lotion so quickly that I'm actually using a travel hotel lotion right now because that's all I had left. So this came at really good timing for me. I wonder if I can smell this. I can't really smell it right now because it's sealed with the metal packaging. But so Grown Alchemist Body Cream in Mandarin Rose Leaf, which I feel like is going to smell really nice, has a retail value of $26. So a deeply hydrating body cream, which is definitely what I need, especially because I am going to start sunless tanning, just kind of giving it a try. It's been so long since I've used a sunless tanner, and I'm going on vacation soon, so I want to have a fake tan, not get a real one, but I need to make sure that my skin is really hydrated when doing sunless tanning, so this will really come in handy. Next, oh, this is from the brand Audacity, which I have heard so much about this brand, like just hearing about it. I don't know if I've ever actually seen it in person, so I didn't recognize the packaging or recognize the brand. But I'm excited to try out an Audacity product. So this is the Black Cumin Facial Serum for pimples. Formulated especially for problem skin, this potent serum helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes. I don't know if I've ever really gotten like an acne treatment type product in Ipsy or BOXYCHARM, so this is different. Not something that, luckily, I need very badly, but for when I do, this will be very interesting to try. It says mix 2 to 3 drops in your cream or apply alone for a more intense solution. It's cruelty-free, 100% natural. Oh, and vegan. So the Audacity BL&C Pimples Black Cumin and Cajeput Serum Concentrate has a retail value of $36. This is turning out to be a very makeup light box. Skincare heavy and not what I usually get and what I usually like. The last product here is heavy, but another skincare. I'm so sad I only got one makeup product. I feel like that's never happened to me in BOXYCHARM. Of course, here I was saying that it rarely disappoints, and I mean, these are products that I am going to use and I'm excited about, but I wanted more makeup, and BOXYCHARM just usually really hooks it up with the great makeup, the great brands that I had been wanting to try and finally get to try for a great deal. And this month I only got one. Aw. Ooh, pretty packaging on this. This is from the brand, what is the brand on this? Bloom Effects. Royal Tulip Nectar. So it's a healing ointment to serum hydrator. Soothes, nourishes, and helps repair the skin's barrier. Apply anywhere your skin needs extra love. Try it as a moisturizing sleep mask. I do love using a mask at night, but I have a few right now, so I'm very well stocked up, but very nice packaging. This seems luxurious. Oh! A little just spilled out, and it has a pretty potent smell to it. A little spilled out, so let's put some on my hand. A little like oiliness, like it had a layer of oil on top, but it actually kind of smells like cinnamon, like a kind of strong cinnamon smell. All right. Well, let's see the retail value on this. $65. Yeah, it does seem like a high-end skincare product with the packaging and all of that. But so, this month, I mean, I've just had so many amazing BOXYCHARM premium boxes that this one ranks pretty low for me. I mean, in the world of subscription boxes, this is really nice, but definitely one of my least favorites I've ever gotten from BOXYCHARM for a premium box. Oh, let's really hope that my BOXYCHARM base box is more makeup heavy, more products that I'm actually going to use right away and excited about. But so let me do a recap and I'll add up my total retail value. So I got the Grown Alchemist Body Cream, the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow, the Rodial Dragon's Blood Eye Masks, the Audacity Pimple Solution, the LaRousse brushes, and the Bloom Effects Royal Tulip Nectar. Whoa, this says fragrance free, but it definitely smells like something. But anyways, this brings me to a total retail value of $262. So I would really like to know in the comments down below your thoughts on any of these products that I got today, and maybe if you love them, that will make me feel better about my box and more excited about these products. But I'd also really like to hear your thoughts on your May 2021 BOXYCHARM Premium Box, and let me know what you got in your box. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.